we don't take Greenland, Russia or China will. And I'm not letting that happen. One way or the other, we're going to have Greenland.
President Donald Trump wants to own Greenland, and the White House hasn't ruled taking the island by force. We're here in Greenland, which is at the centre of a geopolitical storm. There are plenty of international press in the capital, Nuuk, asking residents what they think. Everyone we've spoken to has said they don't want to join the United States, and that Greenland is not for sale. Greenland is a semi-autonomous region that's part of Denmark, which is a member of NATO. The Danish Prime Minister has warned if Trump takes it over, it would basically be the end of the alliance.
Men jeg vil også gøre klart, at hvis USA vælger at angribe et andet NATO-land militært, så hører alting op, altså inklusiv vores NATO og dermed den sikkerhed, som er blevet tilvejebragt siden afslutningen på 2. verdenskrig.
Greenland's important because as the ice melts, the possibility of shorter trade routes to Asia opens up, and it could be easier to extract and transport untapped deposits of critical minerals which are needed for things like computers and phones. Trump's also said he wants the island to expand America's security and deter Russia and China, but experts say he can do that without owning it. American, Danish and Greenlandic officials are meeting to discuss the island's future, but it's likely to be a tough discussion.